Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mama G, and today guys I will teach you on how to take care your hair. I will share you my secret, the basic secret on how to take care hair. Okay, so are you guys wondering why your hair getting dry without doing anything, without putting anything, So maybe one of the reason is you take shower every day, which is not good. Why? Because this one can make your hair dry and brittle. You can lose the cuticle oil. So what is the cuticle oil? The cuticle oil, guys, helps you to make your hair shine and protect the inner layer from damage. Your shower alternately. Okay, so if you can do it, I can do maximum 3 days. 3 days I don't take shower my hair. Some girls, they take shower once a week. Imagine, but me, I cannot do that. 3 days is the maximum. And but if you guys doing workout, going to the gym or working out at home, so this one can be a little bit like you are too sweat and you really need to take shower. But if you guys don't do anything, you are staying at home, you are not dirty, so don't take shower your hair. Instead, guys, you can replace by using dry shampoo. So this one is a dry shampoo, guys. You don't need to wet your hair. You just have to apply this one. So yeah, I'm using this when my hair is dirty, my scalp is oily, and sometimes when I'm going outside and I don't have enough time to take a shower, I use this one. So how to use properly dry shampoo. Most of girls, they just spray like this, guys. They spray like this, Okay, so I will teach you on how I do this. So instead spraying like this, guys, you have to spray in the brush, okay? And now you have to brush your hair. And now you have to massage a little bit your scalp. For your scalp, you have to spray your hand so you can directly put on your scalp. So now, smells good. Smells good. So this one is a floral and feminine blush. So that's the flavor of this dry shampoo. So yeah, my hair now smells good, and now I'm ready to go. And my next vlog. Bye.